Hi everyone, Deb here. I am here with some happy mail that I'd like to share with you. I have two things. First one is a card, and these two individuals watch my channel quite a bit and frequently send me cards or whatnot. So I got a card and then I got some happy mail. And let me show you the card first. This one is from Judy H. Her name appears a lot in my comments, so you can check her out. She does not make videos. She does craft a lot. She sends out a monthly mailing of cards. I forget what she calls it, but it's like her inspirational monthly card list that she has, and I am on it. So thank you so much, Judy. And this one just came at the perfect time for me. I've had it a few days, maybe even a week now. I can't remember exactly, but honestly, with what the inside especially said, I really needed this one on the day it arrived. And that's all I'll say about it. So this is a paper. I don't know if actually, no, this is a paper, but Stampin' Up! Also had a stencil that was similar to this, and I think a background stamp as well. And it almost looks like you could take like a marker in crumb cake or gray granite or whatever that color is and highlight the lines yourself. So like birch trees, right? And then I love birds, especially bluebirds. They're just so gorgeous. I don't see bluebirds at my house very much anymore, despite having two bluebird houses, but my daughter has had four or five or six almost every day, still even in the winter, which kind of surprised me. Although I think February's when they come looking to set up their nests and seeking out nests. So I guess it makes sense, but it's been so cold here. I think it's like 18 feels like 9 or something today. I don't know. It's very cold and we've had a few days that are slightly below 0 Fahrenheit. So, yeah, really cold. Anyway, sending warmest wishes, winter wishes your way. I need the warmth, yeah, for sure. And then she always has a Bible verse. Oh, magnify the Lord with me and let us exalt his name together. Psalm 34:3. And no matter what yesterday was like, birds always start the new day with a song. That actually is the one I needed to hear. This day is going to be over, and God willing, we see the next day and we can begin it a new song, right? And I've had a couple, I'll just say like last week was kind of rough. Actually, the last 2 weeks. Just car issues still. My car this time, major issues, just sort of like what my son was going through last year. Um, so we're down to one usable car. I can't get it in until I'm going to drop it off Sunday and they look at it next week and hopefully do all the repairs, which are going to cost me in the thousands. Yeah, I'm so upset about it. But anyway, it is what it is, and I need a car, and I don't want to buy another new used one yet, so I'll deal with it. Just that and the 20 some inches of snow covered in ice that we got, and it just seemed like everything was piling up. But I'm okay. I'm over it. We shoveled out. I have a wonderful neighbor down the road that has a snow blower and a thing that can pick up the snow and move it. Because the problem here is I don't have anywhere to put that much snow. We already had piles, and the piles were too big, and it was getting hard. I did everything. I did manage to shovel, um, all but at the end of my driveway where there was 2 feet. So anyway, I digress. But yeah, we had quite a lot. And I think that was literally 2 feet, but I think it was from A, drifting, and then B, the plows coming along and making it heavy on top of that. So he managed to pick it up and move it and put it in my yard on the other side of my mailbox and driveway. where I can't reach to take it to. I'd have to walk it down the street one shovel at a time, you know, that kind of thing. Anyway, I was so appreciative. And yeah. So anyway, that's that. And then her envelope even has this looks like a little either Alaskan or a Native American of some kind. There's little teepees up here and little doggy and little baby there. And then ducks or geese or possibly swans, I don't know. And it says love and they're holding a flower. And then down here, sending you a great big hug. So thank you very much. I needed the hug in a card when it arrived, so perfect timing. And I'm behind schedule with getting my heavy mail out, but I'm going to, and I'm also probably next week. I probably won't get it out till February because February's here already. Anyway, and then but I'll be getting a few happy mails, probably about 4 out next week sometime. End of next week sometime because I won't have a car next week. Actually, I might be able to do it next week because I have to take my son to work so I can maybe hit the post office on the way home. That's what I'll plan on. Okay. All right. So the next one came from Rosa. Rosa, let me see. I'm going to read you the note because she is also a viewer on here and she has a YouTube channel which is Rosa Vera 7, but there's no videos on it. And then she also has an Instagram, Rosa Vera Vera dot S, like in Sam or whatever. So lovely person. She sends me cards fairly frequently. And is viewing and commenting on my videos most all the time. And she says, here are some die cuts and papers for your strawberry journal. I hope you liked it. Yes, I love everything. I've already looked at everything and oh my goodness. And you can see strawberry stickers, strawberries on a vine, and that'll probably go in my book. You know, like one of the hidden texts. This was my strawberry. Keep that in mind. Beary. My R is moving or something. Anyway, so it was about bears and strawberries. This was a collab initially hosted by Polly's, oh, I forget her channel name, Polly's Pretties, Crafting and Coloring or something like that, Crafts and Coloring. Um, anyway, it was a monthly, every day of a month collab, but I had pages left, so I've been working in here, and I still have about 9 pages left. I have some stuff sticking out already that I want to use in there. So here's the envelope, which I'm probably going to cut down and use. I'm even going to save these. I have some of these stamps, a few left anyway. These are for the extra postage kind of cards, and I have a few of those left, but these are already canceled, so I can cut that out and save it. Oh, look. Is that the same? Is that the post office doing that? Because that's the same stamp with the little duckies and love. Huh. That's interesting. I thought Judy put that on there, but it's on Rosa's too. Super cute. Well, USPS, if you're doing that, kudos to you. Anyway, strawberry shortcake. I love strawberry shortcake. When my daughter was young, she had a strawberry shortcake bike, you know, real young, like 6 or something like that, 5 or 6. I think 6. Yeah. Anyway, and then these individual little strawberry vine and flower stickers here. And then on the back, we also have a little strawberry house with her friend in there. And is that a dog or a rabbit? I think it's a dog, a puppy in the sunshine. So cute. So yes, I will not let those even go to waste. And then I'll put this here. Then there were some papers. So we have and they have the look of like glitter glue, you know, gold glitter glue and some specks of glitter on, but there's no glitter. They're fairly heavyweight too, and they fit perfectly in that business size envelope. And then here's the back with hearts and little strawberries, like somebody had stamped them on there. Some gold glitter hearts, little specks in the background. This almost looks like a footprint, right? Very cute. And some strawberry leaves too. Very cute paper. And then this one, love, love. I love it all. It's very, very pretty. I'm probably holding it upside down, the strawberries. No, they're multi-directional. And then this one is pink with glitter spots. It looks like watercolor or something. And then strawberry free. That's like her, is that like, no. Oh, I know what. I think I saw a sticker like that. Oh no, it's in the die cuts. That's what it is. There's a die cut like this. Strawberry house, strawberry garden. I just like the strawberries like that. Or I do like strawberry shortcut. And then the back is like the watercolor, but with words. You are very cute. Strawberries, something else like a basket with cute strawberries. Life is sweet. Oh, it's life is sweet like a basket with cute strawberries or something like that. Yeah, really pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty cute. So let's look at the die cuts. And at least one of them I have to use because, well, I mean, I'm going to use a lot of them, but I don't know if I have enough pages left to use them all, which is okay by me. And also, Rosa, I would like to know, where did you get this stuff? This is fabulous. This is the one of the ones I'll probably use first because it is a bear for strawberry bliss and a strawberry, right? And then probably with a strawberry or something. I don't know. There's a hat with strawberries, a bowl of strawberries and whipped cream or maybe vanilla ice cream. Yeah, yummy. Strawberry bow, very cute. This looks like the same. No, it's a different girl. Oh, look, her little top is the top of the strawberry. That is adorable. Adorable. This one has blonde hair, so it's not the same girl. I don't want to lose the bear. I'm going to leave the bear and that one out for now. And I'll probably bring in more. There's a cutie with the blonde hair and blue eyes. Some rain boots. Kind of goes with her. Strawberry jam, my favorite. Sugar-free for me nowadays. More jam. Yummy, yummy. We could have the strawberry bear, scooping jam out like Pooh Bear scoops out the honey, right? Uh, Strawberry milkshake, yum. I was thinking, I don't know if they still have it. I don't know if it was like Ovaltine or strawberry milk, the stuff you put in, like you would stir in to make chocolate milk, a powder, but they had strawberry too. Do they still make that? I used to have that as a kid. It's probably really bad for you. Maybe I could get some and put it in almond milk though. Are these stickers or are these just chipboard? I think they're just chipboard, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And a little train with that would go cute with the bear too. The strawberry express. Ooh. Anyway, so cute. And then here's the stand I said was like this without the girl in it. See, fresh juice. Really cute. And then a wreath. Really, that would be pretty on a card. A strawberry wreath for summertime. Anyway, I love it all, Rosa. Thank you so much. But do put in the comments where you got this stuff from in case I want to get some. Or I don't even know if you can. I kind of searched on a couple sites for strawberry shortcake and yeah, they don't have it. And I did see somebody, a smaller channel, I can't remember. I've been watching a lot of haul videos, which is really bad because I've been buying some stuff. And look, even strawberry washi tape. This must have been like a collection kit or something. Probably long gone, but so pretty. Thank you very much. And yes, I'll be using these probably in the next day or two. Probably Friday. I had something else on my plate for today, something else. And I'm drinking tea, just decaf with a little 2% milk in it, in my Pittsburgh Part Panthers mug. My granddaughter graduates from college this year, her undergrad. Don't know what she's going to do about next year yet. All I've heard is she wants to stay out there in Pittsburgh, so I guess she's going to have to get a full-time job instead of part-time and a smaller place because her roommate is going on to medical school, so I think somewhere else, and moving out after graduation. So, anyway, fun times, but she loves it out there in Pittsburgh. So, we shall see. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video. I don't want it to be too long, and I've rambled on as usual, so bear with me, please. And I hope you're having a warm and nice, peaceful week this week. We had a little scare when we first got over that other storm. I looked at my phone for this coming Saturday and Sunday, and it said 10 to 14 inches of snow. I'm like, are you kidding me? It went away. There's a system apparently off the coast, and they were thinking it was going to come in more, but it hasn't changed back to that since that initial scare. So yay. Please stay off the shore. All right, everyone, be safe out there. Drive carefully. Make sure your cars, if you have snow, make sure your cars are cleaned off of snow and ice, because that's very dangerous to the drivers behind you if that stuff flies off. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.